Hey everyone, today I'm joined by my mom Tina. So we are going to show you just how with only one application of the face oil, your face is actually getting the hydration it needs because our face oil is full of active ingredients which go below the epidermis and into the dermis. We'll be using this skin analyzer. So the skin analyzer will take microscopic pictures of the skin to analyze its hydration, melanin, wrinkles, pore size, and by taking these measurements we're able to detect if this product is actually hydrating the skin or if it's just sitting on top. So my mom's wearing no makeup, she has nothing on her skin, and she's recently cleansed. So we will do a quick microscopic photo. Touch to skin. So she has a hydration level now of 19 and an elasticity level of 11. So she has really dry skin. We are going to see how this number changes after she uses our product and lets it sit for 10 minutes. Okay, so we applied the MUTHA Face Oil. She waited 10 to 15 minutes and now we're back and we're going to do another scan. So back to the microscope, touch to skin, please. Wow, okay, so her hydration level went all the way to 93 with one use. Her elasticity level is now up to 55. I love this pure and potent, completely active oil. It's amazing for your skin, and with continued use, you'll see hydration and elasticity just increase and increase. I'm so excited to actually have a microscope to be able to really measure what this face oil is capable of. Just once again to show you the results. Her first scan was a 19 and 11. So 19 hydration and 11 for elasticity. And then when we applied the product, let it sit, her next scan was a 93 for hydration and a 55 for elasticity. This product works.